Vast.ai is a marketplace where you can rent access to a variety of GPUs at very reasonable prices. Until recently, it wasn't possible to run Docker commands inside a Vast instance. But Vast has just rolled out a new feature which makes it possible to rent a virtual machine. So now you can run Docker commands inside a VM instance. First, you'll need to create a Vast account at cloud.vast.ai. It's a fairly standard website sign-up procedure, so I won't go into detail. Then load some money onto your account. You won't have to start off with much. $5 will be plenty to get started, experiment, and learn how Vast works. Then you'll need to create an SSH key and add it to the account. I'll provide a link in the description that explains how to do that. Once you're logged in, click on the templates link on the sidebar. Since this is a new feature, there are only 2 VM templates available so far, a terminal-only instance and a desktop instance. I'll provide links for both in the description. For this example, I'll use a desktop instance. Search for KVM and select all, and look for Ubuntu Desktop KVM and click the select button. That brings us to the search page where we can search for servers. You can filter for the system specs you want. I'll choose a 4090. I only want one, and I'd like one on my continent. You may want to increase the disk space if you intend to download some large files. And if large files are a concern, then you should also pay attention to the network speed. When you found a machine you like, click Rent. Now click on the Instances link. It may take a few minutes for the host machine to download the image and start it. If you see a message here that says, "Could not start VM, GPU in use," then the host isn't configured correctly. There's nothing you can do to fix that for them. You'll just have to stop the instance, delete it, and pick a different machine. Before you do that, you could use this wrench icon to report the machine and let them know that there's an issue. Once the VM is started, the Open button will become available. Clicking it will open a new tab for the VM. I've noticed that some web browsers have trouble connecting. I've had the best luck with Edge. This may take a few moments. Click Start, and you're presented with a standard Linux desktop. Let's open a terminal and run a Docker command to test. Docker run hello-world. The server will pull the image, and it's run correctly. When you're done, you can close this tab. Take a look at the Instances tab. You can stop the instance using this square icon. While the instance is stopped, you'll only be charged for the storage fee until you start it again. If you're completely done with the instance, you can destroy it using this trash can icon. If you don't need the desktop functionality and you're comfortable working in the terminal, then the terminal-only VM may be a better choice. Once it's running, you can connect to it with an SSH client. I hope you found this helpful. Leave a comment and let me know if I've missed anything or if any part of the video was unclear. You can find help in the Vast subreddit and the Vast Discord. I'll put links for both in the description. Please keep in mind that I'm not a moderator for either the subreddit or the Discord.